Alright, what's up you guys? Another video with the Maddog. So I'm gonna be removing the emissions today. So I'm getting rid of this little piece right here. I'm gonna cut this out, put in a straight piece. And I'm also gonna be removing this, the little pair system. So I'm gonna cut this right here. And then I'm gonna weld that closed too, and then take off all this. And then we'll have it without the emissions on it and see if we can get a little more speed and see if we get it just a little better. And we'll do some testing after, so stay tuned. Okay, so I cut it out already. Took the cat out, so it's right here. I got this other piece that I had, so I just grinded it a little bit, cut it to fit, and I'm just gonna weld this one in like that. And then after we weld it, it'll be a full flow exhaust now. And then after, we'll move on to the pair system. Alright, we got the exhaust done. Got it welded up and then painted, grinded down as well. So that's ready. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing the pair system. So what we're gonna do is removing these 3/8 right here. And then we're gonna remove these two so I can take off this little pipe. I'm gonna pinch that and then weld it. So I'll take it off right now, you guys will see. Okay, so I got it removed. So it's this little valve right here. It sits on the head. The valve cover sits on the bottom of the valve cover, and what it does is it takes the exhaust gas and it puts it into the motor again. So what I did is I normally just block this off, so I pinch it, I'll cut it, and I'll just put a little weld right there, and then they're good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna put it back. So it's just simple like this. Pinch it off, and then we'll put it back where it goes. In there, put the ground on, and then that's it. Get this on there. Okay, so it's all back together. We deleted the emissions, so we took off the pair system on it. Got that out of here. It's all blocked off. We took off the cat on it, made it straight, and then the emissions is gone down there. After, I'm going to change the valve cover to one without the little thing right there, but for now it'll still work. So let's see how it sounds now, because it will be louder. It should be faster as well. On the stock exhaust.